Hey everyone, welcome back to the Today. We are diving into a forgotten gem of the 1950s, the 1954 Daus, a vehicle that blended European sophistication with American flair. Whether you're a vintage car lover or a history buff, this ride has some incredible stories to tell. Let's take a closer look. Exterior. The 1954 Daus is a visual time capsule of post-war automotive elegance. From its long, sweeping fenders to its chrome-laced front grille, every line on this car was drawn with confidence and grace. The dual bullet-style headlights are framed by sculpted bezels, giving it a bold face that stood out in any crowd. Wide, white wall tires, polished wheel caps, and a two-tone paint scheme, usually in cream over forest green or sky blue, cemented its upscale status. The body is low-slung and elegant, measuring over 200 inches in length, giving it a commanding road presence. Even the trunk features the signature D badge with intricate etching, hinting at a carmaker that didn't cut corners. Interior. Step into the doors and you're stepping into a lounge on wheels. The 1954 model featured hand-stitched leather seats in rich tan or deep burgundy, paired with real wood veneer across the dash and door panels. The steering wheel is a large two-spoke design with a chrome horn ring and the Daus crest proudly placed at the center. The dash is a full metal sweep, lined with polished toggle switches and analog gauges, all backlit with a soft amber glow. Rear passengers weren't left out either. They enjoyed generous legroom, rear ashtrays, a fold-down armrest, and even optional wool carpeting. Every inch felt bespoke, as if tailored to a customer who demanded both comfort and style. Performance. Under the hood, the 1954 Daus came equipped with a 3.9-liter inline-six engine, pushing out around 130 horsepower. Mated to a 3-speed manual gearbox, or an optional hydromatic automatic transmission, it offered smooth acceleration for its time. It wasn't a racer, but it glided over the road with a quiet authority. With independent front suspension and rear leaf springs, the ride quality was plush, perfect for long scenic drives. The steering was weighty but precise, and hydraulic. Drum brakes on all four corners provided reliable stopping power. While it wasn't built for speed, it was designed for dignified, effortless cruising. The 1954 Daus may not be a household name today, but in its time, it stood proudly among the era's finest. With its sophisticated design, luxurious interior, and smooth performance, it was a statement car, built for those who valued elegance over flash. Today, surviving models are ultra-rare, and highly prized by collectors who know just how special this classic is. Thanks for joining us on this trip back in time. If you enjoyed this look at the 1954 Daus, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vintage car content every week. And let us know in the comments, what classic car should we feature next?